Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering pattern matching using strings in SQL. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Pattern matching is used to search specific patterns in character or string. In SQL, in order to find patterns, we use like operator along with percentage and underscore symbol. Whenever I give an example, you can clearly understand where percentage will represent 0 or 1 or multiple characters, underscore will represent exactly one character. These are examples. For example, there is student table which contains roll number column and name column. Let's for example, I want to find names of the student whose name starts with R. So I'll write command like select a star from student where name, I already told, we need to use like operator. So like, so I want to find names of the student, name starts with R. So at first write R. Percentage. Percentage means starting must be R, rest can be any characters. So we can include percentage. So write them in quotations and give semicolon. Whenever I execute this query, I will get output like, it will give names of the students whose name starts with R. So I'll get output Ravi, Ramesh and Raj. Percentage means any characters, but starting must be R. So I written here R. For example, I want to find names of the student whose name ends with I. So same command, just write here like in quotations. Starting must be any characters. So write here percentage, last must be I. So write here I. So it will give names of the students whose name ends with I. So I'll get output like Sai, Ravi. As Sai name ends with I, Ravi name ends with I, I'll get this output. For example, I want to find names of the students whose name contains am. For example, if you observe here Ramesh, in Ramesh there is am. So I need to get this output. For that I need to write select a star from student where in name column. So where name like starting can be any character and last can be any character. In between there must be am. So percentage, am percentage in quotations. Whenever you exit this query, I'll get output Ramesh. So rule number 103 Ramesh. This is my output. Guys, for example, I want to find names which contains exactly 3 characters. Guys, I already told you before, underscore will represent only one character. So write here select a star from student where name like 3 characters mean I'm giving 3 underscores. So there will be exactly 3 characters. That characters can be any characters. So I'll get output like in this table, Sai contains 3 characters, Raj contains 3 characters. So I'll get output. Rule number 101 Sai, 105 Raj. I want to find names of the student starting with R and exactly has 4 characters. So first one is R, rest 3 can be any characters. So for that I need to write select a star from student where name, that is name is column name like R 3 underscores, that is nothing but starting must be R, remaining 3 underscores can be any characters. So whenever I exit this query, I'll get output like rule number 102 Ravi, starting is R, rest 3 characters AVI. So this is my output. This is all about pattern matching in SQL.